Good morning, everyone. I'm back, sunny day in the UK. I haven't made any uploads of my videos for a while because I've been very busy with my work. So today I'm gonna show you a tip. Oh, it's only one, so it's a tip how to save money on your cooking bills. Because at the moment the UK is in the crisis of very high expensive gas and electric bills at the moment. It's going up to the roof. People are struggling. They can't even afford to pay their electric and gas bills because it's gone up very high, and people are struggling whether they can afford to pay the bills or buy the food. So this is one of the tips to save some money on your bills. How to cook using sawdust. Yeah, you can only do this if you have enough space, right, in your garden, because it could be a fire hazard or a fire risk. So you have to be very careful with it, but it's very safe. We've done it in the Philippines for many years during my the time my grandmother taught me how to use this kind of stove or cooking system or style. But that is my garden, so I'll show you my tomatoes first. Nice tomatoes. Yeah, these tomatoes just decided to grow by themselves, so, and then we put them in the pot, and we didn't even buy the seed for this. It just came out from the compost, right? So this is the stove, sawdust stove. So what I made is like, this is a, let's see, all right, I made this stove from empty color gas or any gas bottle. I cut the top with a grinder and made a hole by here. This is where you're going to put the wood, right? So this is how it looks like. I just put this piece of wood here to stop the sawdust coming out while you're packing it. Right? So this stops the sawdust while you're packing the sawdust coming out of that hole. And you got this little piece of pipe here. It's about, it's not small, but about 2 inches, or let's say in mil is about, check, in millimeter it's about 70, nearly 70. See, that's 70, 60, no, 7, 68, 69 mil pipe, right? So that's the 68 mil pipe. So you put that pipe in the center, and then you pack the sawdust. Right. Pack it like this until it's full. Make sure it is properly packed, right? Right, so this is where your whole plastic fuel will go in, right? Your fuel. And you can fill the pipe there now. Right, and make sure you do this first, right? Make sure you do that first before you pull the pipe out. Okay. So you do that first before you pull the pipe out. And now pull the pipe. Just turn the pipe slowly. And then just slowly lift it, yeah. Okay. Make sure it doesn't fall off. The sawdust don't collapse. Right. So that's your hole. Okay. And you can see, right, like that. So let's turn it around. Okay. Let's turn it around so you can see the light coming through. Once I pierce that hole, this, yeah, see there? So once you pierce that, make sure you take the sawdust off on the bottom there. Stop blocking the hole. See? So now you got a hole there. Right. There you go. So that's your hole. Where the air can breathe in, right? There. So guys, this is our fuel, old decking. You need them smaller, like about that, yeah. More than an inch, about 30 mil. Oh, yeah, this will do. This kind of cooker, right, is very efficient with fuel. Very what you call it, very slow on burning fuel wood like this, yeah. So this lot, right, from just one piece of this, right, one piece of little about a foot long decking, old decking, you cut it in 5 pieces. This will cook almost one dish, yeah. This small dish, not a really big dish, right? But today I'm cooking a very big dish, right? See the size of my wok, yeah. See the size of this wok, right? This is what I'm using today. I'm gonna cook this dish today for at least 50 people, right? So I have 2 of this. See there? Sits on the right. Right. So that will be sitting there. A bit wobbly. There. Right. So that will be sitting there like that. Yeah. And then the firewood, the fire stick goes. Right. You can see the. Get it closer. Yeah. Oh, wait. So the fire stick, right? Wait. So the stick goes through the hole there, like that. You only need two sticks. You don't need to put all this, right? 2 sticks at a time. And this stick runs really slow because the sawdust helps the flame inside to burn really hot. Yeah, that's the idea or principle. Yeah, there you go. And I'll show you how it works after when I start cooking. Hello. So I'm getting ready to cook. I got my works power washer ready. You've seen it in my previous videos as well, washing the car. So I got it in case, you know what, we were dealing with fire, so open flame. So we have to be ready. We got water. We got the hose pipe for the works power wash, right? Fully charged. Okay. You never know, do you? Always be prepared when things happen. So there's our pot. Yeah. And I will start cooking. Right, connecting the jet wash just in case we need it. And it's raining today, so there's no worry about water. Right. Yeah, there you go, guys. Ready. You never know when you need it. Better to have it when you need it than need it when you don't have it. That's what my father said. All right, ready to cook. So guys, we're gonna start our fire now. We need this fire lighter, just a tiny one. Drop it in the middle, in the hole. Right, and then place your stick there. Just 2 pieces of stick will do. Right, like that. Okay, but first we gotta light that fire lighter before we put the other stick. Okay, all right. Hi guys, so everything is set. We got all the ingredients ready. We're gonna cook beef caldereta and sweet chili lemon prawn, something like that. Okay, here we go. We got the lighter. Start the fire. Start slow, and then once the fire starts catching, then there'll be big flame coming out of that hole. There you go. All right. Now put the wok on top. What is it? Okay, prawn first.
Oil first. Oil and
We're
butter.
cooking the prawn first. Alright. Oil. How much? That much? More?
No, more. A bit
More?
more. Yeah, that's enough.
Okay, butter. Then garlic.
Yung prawn, season na yan, tarragon, paprika, salt and pepper. Lemon zest. Nag-light brown yung bawang. This is the prawn. King prawn. Sorry. Oyster sauce. Do it. Close this one. 1 liter ketchup and 1 liter okay, lemon juice 1 cup. Sweet chili sauce. 1.5 cup. More? Sweet chili?
Yeah.
Alright.
1.5 liter.
1.5 liter of sweet chili sauce. How many kilos is this prawn?
9.
This is 9 kilos of king prawn. Any more? Okay. Water? No? We're just rinsing this butter with some water. Alright guys, this is almost cooked now. Look at this, yeah? You see that? Ooh. This is amazing. Oh my, smells nice. I wish you could smell it. Alright guys, so I cooked one dish, the prawn, and I'll show you the cooker, the stove. It's not even burned. The whole what you call it, sawdust. Yeah, and look, I only use at least four sticks like this. Yeah, 4 pieces of this for that dish. Yeah. Alright, so next one going in. Put another wok. Wait for it to heat up, and then we're gonna start our caldereta. Big caldereta. Okay. Pan hot. Oil.
Oil and butter. Please, butter.
More oil.
More, yeah. Can I get some more?
Okay.
Butter. Kita ko doon. Para sa kita ko doon.
Okay, the garlic is brown. Put the meat in.
Oh, 10 kilograms.
10 kilo of beef, marinated as well.
Brisket.
Beef brisket.
Yan, mas magtubig. Sorry. Let me just use my hand. Like this.
Beef cube.
Spread it.
Put it on.
You need water. There's some water.
Right. Let it simmer. So guys, after an hour and a half simmering, the meat is now tender and ready to put all the ingredients in. All the the potatoes, the bell pepper, and the. Alright, so our stove is running for 3 hours, right, non-stop, and still going. So this we'll be able to cook this, finish it, and our stove still. So we put the tomato paste or tomato puree, liver first before that.
Where is the one with the
Liver pate.
liver pate?
Okay, liver pate. 2 tubs of liver pate.
Maybe one. Just one.
One.
Yeah, and other.
And
Grated.
ground liver. Oh. Yeah. Ground fresh liver. Beef liver or house liver. House liver rather. Not beef liver. House liver. Alright, put house liver in.
Kahit hindi ko makita.
Just pour it in. See how thick that is? Look. It's gonna get thicker and thicker after you put more. You gotta put cornstarch or breadcrumbs. Breadcrumbs.
Wait lang.
Bell pepper. Lapot na nga, ito na yun. Kung kunti lang sa bawo niya, dahil sa gawa niya.
Kung yung patatas sa kain.
Potatoes
And carrots.
and carrots.
Fried na yan.
Hawakan ko baka matumumba. Mas ka na dyan, baka tumumba eh. Matapon na pala lahat yan.
2 teaspoon.
That's it. Done. Beef caldereta. Guys, so after more than 3 hours of cooking, this is what the stove look like. The sawdust starts to collapse, but it managed to cook 2 massive meals, huge meals, right, dishes. And I only used, see that, I only used 2, right, 2 pieces of this, yeah, tanking board. That's the only, chopped into small bits like that, yeah, chop into those sections, like so. Only 2 pieces of this to cook 2 massive dish, yeah. You can see how big the wok is, so saves a lot of money for the, yeah, so saves a lot of money for the gas or electric bills, isn't it? Right, so I gotta kill this fire now before let's stop it burning anymore. Right. Alright. Open out the fire. Make sure nothing left burning. Okay. Everything gets soaked. So there you go, guys. Just show you how to use a sawdust to make a stove. Right, and very economical. Doesn't cost much. Right, the fuel, the stick, the wood. You don't need too much to cook, especially if you're only cooking for 10 or maybe less people, so you don't need that size of stove like this, too big. You can use a small can or a smaller bottle, gas bottle, for that, to make that kind of stove. Yeah, and it will save you tons of money, because now the electric and the gas are very expensive in the UK. Every house, average household now will be paying at least £4,000, right, a year, just to heat the house, cook your food and the rest. Yeah, so just a tip, just be safe though. Always take caution. Make sure you don't burn your garden down, like, yeah, take every precaution, yeah, not to cause any fire to your place, or to your garden, or to your house or a shed. Yeah. Okay, see you in my next video. Sunny day in the UK. Bye. Not that. Alright guys, so this is the shrimp, or the prawn I was cooking this afternoon. Hi Charmaine. Ciao Tama. Buksan mo. And these are the chicken cordon bleu and chicken lollipop. Yeah. Okay. It's a massive roast pig. Sama sa vlog yan. Okay, Charmaine is eating the prawn now. She's gonna.
This is one of the best prawns.
What's your?
Buttery. It's flavorful. One of the best prawns ever.
Thumbs up, yeah.
9 pop points. Pop na pop.
Okay, thank you, Jamie.
The best.
Okay, Lelaine is trying the caldereta. Judgment.
Welcome to Banlasang Pinoy.
Galing?
Sarap. Oh, sa carrots tayo.
Carrots.
Hindi overcooked.
Hindi overcooked.
Crispy pa yung gulay. Kanin. Nakabalik ako sa bahay namin. Sa sobrang sarap, makakalipat ka. Wait lang, transport ko sa Pilipinas. Oo.
Okay. Ayan na, sugpo. Kaya sugpo.
Next na.
May dala-dala akong titawin.
Ganito kasi dapat kumain. Isang subo ng ulam, dalawang kanin.
Yeah.
May baong pang gloves yan.
May gloves. Ayan. Nag-ready na. Talagang kakamay na.
Parang
Ready na yung dalawa.
How you eat it. Ito na.
Okay.
Ganito kumain ng sugpo.
Oh, ayan.
Iwalayin mo muna ang ulo. Nasipsipin niya yung ulo. Sarap. Namunta ako sa dagat.
Ito ang nagluto ng bacon, ano? Kaya may baong kayo mo kasi.
Sarap.
Oh,
Malinamnam.
there you go.
Ito na. Feeling ko nasa mukbang na to. This is mukbang is, nawa mo na yung laman. Isaw-saw mo pa.
Ayan.
Sarap.
Okay.
Tapos yung kanin. Ganito.
Alright. Okay. Thumbs up. Good. Hi guys, thank you for watching my video, my latest video. Sunny day in the UK, and I'd like to thank the couple of ladies who tried my cooking. Lalaine Velasco, she's a registered nurse, and also Charmaine de Vera Rebolado, also a registered nurse here in the UK. Thank you very much, and I hope you had a lovely time last night in the party, and see you soon. Sunny day in the UK.